All right, I think I scuffed up all the chips that I seen that were nasty. We're gonna give this hoe one more degreasing on the actual frame, and then wash everything. Wash everything nice with soap. Let me try one more degreaser on the frame. I got one more can left. That should be plenty. Pressure wash it, then pressure wash all right here, and then give it a wash, and then shit, tape it up, baby. And if I missed anything, I'll try to touch it up then. But I think that's it though. Like, it ain't perfect, but it's gonna look a whole lot better when that thing up in the air. I get a few minutes, let it soak in, and we'll hook up that pressure washer. Yes, sirski. Man, I know I'm still missing spots. I've been on this hoe because it's just hella grease trapped in every corner. Really? I probably should have just fucking sandblasted all this shit. But it is what it is. Y'all see the line where I started. But I got that bitch pretty crispy clean, man. Well, as clean as it's gonna get. We're gonna do a wash now. We just straight pressure wash. I wanted to clear the floor because there was all types of grease on the floor right there too. You can see behind the car all back there. Ugh. But let's just get it away from here. I'm gonna get some soap and just give the whole front clip a wash. You know what I'm saying? I got the car cover, so I'm gonna cover the car, but I got a plastic up here. But I'm gonna give everything a good wash, all in here. Hopefully, all the we're gonna tape up our inside fender wells and our firewall. But I'm gonna give it a good wash with the soap, and then yeah, just wash the whole front clip, and then try to see if I missed any spots. Here we go. Gave this thing a good wash. Hopefully it dries. Looks like it's the sun's out, but we obviously back here, so I might actually have to bring the hose and air dry this hose. Yeah, that's what's gonna, if I want to spray it today. Yeah. But you know what? Let me go get some tape and some plastic right now. We ain't got no work up ahead, and before the store start closing, it's Christmas Eve. So let me go maybe to Home Depot or the hardware store. Go get some tape and some plastic. Alright, what we finna do is just hit him with the rattle can. I think I'm gonna go with that flat black, this big can. This $10 a can. But it looked like it got more than them other cans. How many cans? I don't know. Let's try 4. 3 or 4 maybe. Man, $70 on some spray paint and some Home Depot. Lower the prices, cuz. Oh, look at that short bed. That bitch kind of tight. Shit, while y'all last minute wrapping Christmas gifts, I'm over here wrapping the box, baby. Then I burned the fan, but man, my fan busted. We haven't used it in a little bit. But I got the space heater up underneath there. Try to heat up that metal a little bit. It ain't that cold, but it's very, very fresh up under here. Dang, y'all, went to go eat lunch. It was looking good when I left. I come back, it's raining, dog. Man, I do got the heater out here, but with it raining, ain't no good to paint it, dog. Damn, cuz. I might finish taping it off. Let's see, we do got one leak right there, though. Oh, that ain't gonna fuck nothing up. Damn, y'all. I wanted to finish. Well, I wanted to spray at least today. I guess maybe I could finish taping. I was gonna drop a video real quick, but it wasn't much of a video, right? But I wanted to continue Boxmas 2024. It's been going great. We ain't reach our goal exactly. Christmas is tomorrow, but hey, we worked a lot on the box and, you know, been reminiscing here and there. So you know what? Christmas Eve, Boxmas Eve. I'm gonna hit y'all with a clip show. I just pulled some random clips. Actually, the first clip I'm gonna put is someone commented, said, "Oh, we finally know where the name Los in the Drop came from when I was driving the blue car." Well, now this first clip is of my first convertible, not the first car I fixed, by no means, but it was my first convertible, and that's why I'm Los in the Drop for this Buick 72 Buick LeSabre I had. But yeah, just random clips, y'all, and yeah, Merry Boxmas, baby. Difference?
No difference.
Except this dirty. Hey, Ronnie, where can we? Do they sell them straps, Ronnie?
What strap?
For the door panels, like new ones, just black ones.
I found some that I had here.
Let me see what they look like. They work.
What? Who put this right here?
I did. Move, man. Okay. Nah, I'll put that one over there. Nah, that bitch look good.
I like that green. Hey, man.
I think it needs to be a little darker and that bitch will be clean. Y'all see that dirty lip? 7-inch lip, 3-piece wheels, 22s in the back, 20s in the front. It's gonna have a nice little stance on it, you know? You don't want to go too big of a wheel on these 60s cars, 59s, these X-frame cars. You don't want to go too big of a wheel. Of course, we're going to drop it down. That'll all come. For the time being, I just want to get it back on the road, get it running, driving, and start tackling some of that rust repair on that body, and we'll go from there.
wash.